Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable long press shutter button to cancel recording on Insta360 X5. To do it, simply click on the slide down from the top of your screen, then click on settings in bottom right, in top right corner. Go to general, then find long press shutter button to cancel recording. Once it's enabled, you can start recording by clicking on the shutter button right here. Then if you want to cancel it, simply press and hold on the shutter button. It's gonna cancel it. Click on cancel recording to confirm. You can also, instead of touching on the screen, click on this button to do it. It does the same thing. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.